My name is Ollie, I'm a full-time content creator, and today we're going to cover how to upload videos to Instagram in the best possible quality. Let's jump right into it. So the first mistake I see people make when they upload to Instagram is uploading in the wrong frame rate. So if you're recording a video for Instagram, you need to be recording in 30 frames per second and editing in a 30 frames per second timeline. For some reason, that is just the format that Instagram likes the best, so that's what you need to do. So I do all my editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, so today I'm going to cover the settings that I use in that program. If you're using DaVinci or Final Cut Pro, then the layout might be a little bit different in terms of where you find these settings, but the settings should be basically the same. Okay, so we've got our completed Premiere Pro project and we now want to export it for Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the File option, we're going to scroll down to Export and then Media. And when we click that, we'll be given this box here. So if you're exporting for the web, then it's always best to keep the format as H.264. That just seems to be the best format for anything you're delivering on the web. Next, I would scroll down and make sure that my basic video settings are correct. So I like to export for Instagram with a width of 1080 and a height of 1920 for your basic HD. Of course, if you want to upload in 4K, you can change that. But these are just the settings that I like to use. So if you want to change it, you can untick the box and put in the values that you'd like here. So we'll just leave that as it is. And then we'll scroll down. I would always tick this render at maximum depth. So we'll click that, scroll down a little bit further, and then you'll get to the bitrate settings options. So for bitrate encoding, I always go with VBR2pass, and for my target bitrate, there's a little bit of a dispute on this as to whether you keep the target bitrate low to buffer a little bit quicker on social media, or whether you want to go with a higher number for better quality. So I like to go kind of somewhere in the middle, so I usually go between 30 and 40 megabytes per second, so around 35 is usually good, and you can match that up on the max bitrate. And then that's kind of all you need to do, except this button. So use maximum render quality, always make sure that box is ticked, and then from there you can just queue that and export it. So that will open up Adobe Media Encoder. You can export your project from here by ticking the play button. So once that file exports, you're going to have it on your desktop or wherever else you saved it on your laptop computer. And what you want to do then obviously is get it onto your phone, because you need to upload it to Instagram. So the best way to do that, if you use a MacBook and you've got an Apple device, just airdrop it. So airdrop the file to your mobile device and upload it from there. If you use Android, then the best thing to do is to upload the exported video to Google Drive, then download it on Google Drive on your phone, and then use that file to upload to the web. So those are my top tips for uploading in the best possible resolution to Instagram. If you have any particular tips yourself that you like to use, then please leave them in the comments down below. It's quite a simple setup, but very, very effective, so let me know if it works for you.